Hi, Darrell Stafford with Catalysis Additive Tooling. We use our 3D printing tooling for a lot of different applications. A new application we just recently developed was this foam part manufacturing to make parts like this. In the transportation industry, when you're trying to insulate from the engine compartment to the inside of the car and your tubing and wiring that comes through, this goes on your IP panel, so it insulates that. These are very low-cost tools made very quickly to make prototype parts, so you can do your testing, validate your testing, make your changes, test again, and finally get a final product for mass production.